Purpose of national income accounting. It provides data for policy making, helps in understanding the economic health of a country, useful to compare different economies and track economic growth over time. Key concept of national income accounting. There are five major concepts: GDP, GNP, NNI, PI, DI. GDP, gross domestic product, the total value of all final goods and services produced within a country during a specific time period. Gross national product, the total market value of all goods and services produced by a country residents both domestically and abroad. Net income, national income. Net national income is the total income earned by a nation's citizens, businesses and government business. The personal income, the total earning of an individual or a household. Disposable income. Disposable income is the amount of money an individual or a household has available for spending or saving after paying taxes. Next, we go to methods of measuring the national income. There are three methods: product method, expenditure method, and income method. Next, business application of national income accounting. There are four applications. First one, economic planning and forecasting, second one, investment decisions, third one, government policies, fourth one, labor market analysis. Role of national income in business cycle analysis. Understanding business cycles. National income accounting helps in recognizing the phases of the business cycle: expansion, peak, recession, and growth. Business strategy adaptation. During periods of expansion, business might focus on growth strategies. In recession, company may prioritize cost cutting and efficiency. National income business competitiveness. What is the application of national income in business? First one, global competitiveness. By tracking national income and GDP growth, businesses can access the competitiveness of their economy in the global market. Second one, the potential market. Countries with a higher national income may have larger consumer bases, presenting opportunities for businesses. National income and globalization. Global market dynamics. National income data helps businesses identify which national markets are growing or contracting. Trade and investment. Countries with a higher national income attract foreign direct investment (FDI), which can be beneficial for local businesses. Limitations of national income accounting. Excludes informal economy and income distribution and non-market activities. I came to the conclusion that national income accounting is essential to understanding the overall economic performance of a country. It influences businesses decisions related to planning, investment, strategy, and market opportunities. While there are limitations, businesses can still leverage national income data for competitive advantages and growth. Thank you. Any questions?
No.
Thank you.